I like trains.
Hello everyone, back here in Homestead. We've got a Norfolk Southern eastbound, well, technically southbound. And I think this one's actually a southbound because it is an empty coal. Sorry, there were people standing on the tracks. Need to get off the tracks ASAP. But yeah, coal train is a little bit down there. Crossing should be going off momentarily. And let's see. Yep, there we go. Let's check this train out here. Empty coal. $5.61 is the symbol of this one. And they're all black hoppers. Hopefully there'll be a Conrail, but maybe not. 561 heading to Shire Oaks. Yeah, it looks like all the hoppers are the same for the most part. 3 bays. Rather than Bethcons. Oh, no, there is a Conrail. Good. And our special train might be the next one, but I doubt it. Oh, there's a second one. There we go. Wow. Yeah, this one's pretty long. I don't know how long it is exactly. Then we got a random 5 bay. That's kind of cool. Oh, there's the end. It's a mainly 3-bay hopper coal train, but there's a few non-3-bay hoppers. I just saw another spotted lanternfly. They're everywhere. There it goes. Thank you all for watching as always. It's the Old Man Guy signing off here from Homestead.